Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Guys, please pardon my voice. I'm not keeping well. I'm down with severe sore throat, and also down with a little bit of fever. Even yesterday and day before yesterday was down with fever. So that is main reason why I could not make the weekly sectoral analysis video for all of you. Never mind, let's look at the charts right now. In terms of trend, we can see that Nifty is still in a downtrend, and in the early time frame chart, we can see that the Nifty is in a flat trend. But the mode is the pullback mode. You can see the prices have bounced back pretty nicely. You can see the candle, the way it has opened and closed in relation to the previous red candle is pretty much clear that bulls have counter-attacked the bears very fiercely. And then the next day you can see, which is today, is also a hammer. Although the hammer is not very important over here, but it still shows us the psychology that bears did try to push the market down early on today, but later on the bulls came back and took full charge of the market. The volatility is coming down in the shorter term time frames chart, especially if you look the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart. You can see that the volatility is coming down, and in the early time frame charts, what you can see that the next resistance is 19,230. Now now this 19,230 is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this entire correction. And if you look at the same swing in the daily time frame charts, what we can see, this is the low, which is at 19,215, 19,230, and this high somewhere over here, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. This entire zone, I would say, this entire zone is a stiff resistance for Nifty spot in the short term. And the coordinates are 19,331 to 19,221. So this is almost 110 points range where there is a very strong resistance. Now, what we need to do as a trader is, as of now, do nothing. As a trader, I will do nothing. I will wait and watch and see how prices are going to act, probably tomorrow, probably in next 2 to 3 days. Once they rally up ahead, if the rally continues, the chances are that the rally will continue, the pullback might continue on the upside. So how does it, perform in this particular zone? Does it goes and immediately starts dropping down? Does it go up and tries to surpass this particular zone of 19,331 and try to test this particular base of the trend line? All that needs to be seen, all right? Because there is no point that once the price goes into this zone and immediately, just because it is at a resistance, you try to go short and the prices keep rallying and test this particular trend line. So it makes no sense to sell on a rise if there is no breakdown in the shorter term time frame charts. That is what I always believe, that taking the trade from short term time frame charts is a very good idea. So it's a wait and watch mode. We are currently in a pullback mode. Let us see how prices will react in this zone, whether they will surpass this zone, test somewhere over here at 19,421 or something else. I guess we need to wait and watch and see what happens. In Bank Nifty also we can see the same thing. But Nifty, one thing I like this particular candle. If you look at the Bank Nifty, this candle is not that much powerful, but still today's candle has made a lot of difference, and the volatility is not that much lower as it was in Nifty, but still the rally is going on. Now, Bank Nifty has hit the 50% Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that this 50% Fibonacci retracement is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of the entire swing in the daily time frame charts. Now, once if in the daily time frame chart we surpass this, then the next resistance will come at 43,316 or probably at 43,639, and these levels will be surpassed and tested only if we surpassed today's high. But a very stiff resistance to me, a resistance which can turn around the market, is possibly in this zone. According to me, this entire zone, you can say, this is the zone which is a danger zone for the bulls, which is 43,965 to 43,685. So will price surpass and test this level? To do that, first of all, we'll have to surpass today's high, keep on rallying higher, and in shorter term time frame charts, you can also keep on these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then you will understand how price is reacting. Again, when it reaches higher, there is no point of trying to go short at a higher price just because we are trading at a resistance. It makes no sense. The reason for that is, what if we hit the resistance but the price keeps on rallying? It can happen many times. What if the price keeps rallying up ahead till here? Then your stops will get triggered and you're trying to short the market in a rising market. And I always say, never short in a rising market. Always try to sell when there is a breakdown in the shorter term time frame charts, right? So again, it is a wait and watch. We'll have to see and understand how price is reacting at important junctures, and only then take your action. Okay. And one more important thing, I guess patience will be rewarded very, very handsomely in the next few days, or maybe next couple of weeks. All right. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how markets could move in the next few days. And if you find this video valuable, try to share this video with other traders also. Trade less, trade wisely. Thank you.